Good morning, students. We start with a very important topic. It's as important as I have taught the topic editing, because these are new concepts. You need to be very focused as to what is being taught. Go through the video very carefully and understand what is the teacher demanding of you. Do not make me repeat my words when you submit your assignments. Be very cautious of what is being taught. Today we'll pick up grammar part of your section B, omission. Okay, the word omission has got the word omit in it. Omit means something is missing or has been taken off from the sentence. Now these two concepts of editing and omission are different. Keep one thing in mind: edit means to change something which was wrong, and omission means to add a word which is missing. So omitted means a word which is missing in that part of the sentence or the sentence, whatever is in the exercise given to you. A word will be missing from there. You have to write the word in the place where it belongs. You have to place the correct word which is missing in the correct place as well, in the correct position as well. So difference is a lot between editing and omission. Editing you'll have an error, omission you will have the word only missing. So today we'll pick up omission, where the words go missing and we have to write the correct word, the missing word in the correct position. That is the meaning of omission. Now in English, the same kind of paragraph will be given as I had given you for editing, and blanks will be given over here, A, B, C, D, the same way it will be given. But the way it has to be solved changes. Now listen to me carefully. I have written over here a sentence. A sentence with a word missing in each letter over there which I demand of an answer. A word is missing, not more than that. Only one word will be missing in that part of the sentence which has been given at the back, where the letter has been given at the back, that you have to find the missing word. Do not write 2-3 words and tell me to choose the correct answer. Now for example, I have written a part of the paragraph. I will be teaching you later also, taking the help of the paragraphs, as to what word over there is missing and how do you locate it and how do you find out what is missing. Now I wrote over here, Delhi is capital of India. Now when you read, as I said for editing also, continuously read your part of the sentence or the sentence for you to understand where is the word missing in omission. In your the instructions also it will be given that there is a word missing in each of the part of the sentences. So you have to write the word. Now when you read this part of the sentence, Delhi is, my article is missing in between these two words. And which article? The definite article is missing in these two words. Now my answer will be written in a different way. Don't mix up editing over here. The answer would be, I will bring my A down to highlight the answer. Now you have to write the word which is before it. You have to write the word which is after it. And then you have to write the word which has been omitted right in the center of it. So where is the word missing over here? It's over here. So before before the missing word is, after the missing word is capital. So I wrote down both first, the before and after words, and then I will write the missing word in the center. What is the missing word? The missing word is the. That's it. Your answer should look like this. You need not copy the passage for me. You just have to write A, B, C, D, before, after. Even if you don't write before, after, for me it's understood that the first word is the word which is before the missing word, and this is the word which is coming after the missing word, and the missing word should be underlined. That is how you have to solve, and your answer will be looking like A, B, C, D, E, F, G only, whatever is the demand of the question. This is how the omission exercise looks and you have to solve it. Now the question arises is, what can go missing? Okay. Now, if you say, ma'am, verb goes missing. If you say, like if you were to be in the class, I would have asked this question and I would have got answers because I'm talking to the phone right now. So I will answer my own question. If you say, ma'am, verbs go missing. But if verbs go missing, if action words go missing, then the teacher will have to give you an applicable answer everywhere correct. You can write any damn verb which was there over there, which was missing. That is why in omissions, certain words only go missing. Majoritively those are the words which will go missing. The words which will go missing are articles. Firstly, a, an, or the. Remember this thing. I am giving you an entire list of what will go missing. Articles would go missing. A, an, or the. Next, prepositions will go missing. On, off, under, above, over. All these words can go missing. Conjunctions also can go missing. These are words which are easy and not more than one or two applicable answers would be correct over here. Conjunctions would go missing. Helping verbs would go missing. Models, like you call them. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have. Perfect tense has been given at the back, but its has is missing or had is missing or have is missing. So you have to be very cautious. I am giving you a list what all can go missing, like articles, prepositions, and helping verbs, preposition. Even pronouns can go missing. These are your relative pronouns, especially who, whose, whom, which, when, where. These words also can go missing. Even your normal pronouns also can go missing. He, she, it. Wherever there is no diciness of whatever may be the answer, there we need to be very cautious because the teacher will not increase her burden. You know that better. So I will give you a question which has got only maximum, like definitely it will have 100% one answer, maximum number of times. But certain number of times even two answers are possible. At that time I would consider it and give it as correct. So you have variety of things missing out over here. One more thing which can go missing is determiners. Determiners are of different kinds. You have pinpointers, you have demonstratives, you have quantifiers, qualifiers. I will send you a video which I have taught about determiners. You just go through that video. You will know what am I talking about. Determiners also can go this, that, these, those. Reflexive pronouns, anything can go missing. But I won't take a guarantee that yes, all the time only these particulars, maximum number of times these will be missing. But certain times as the bar rises, as you go from one class to the other, yes, then at that time certain nouns, certain abstract nouns also can go missing. Like the word invention, advent, all these words, but you will be knowing as you read that particular part of the sentence what is missing. So I give a summary of what I have taught. Omission means a word is missing from the sentence or a part of the sentence. The same paragraph will be given and ABCD will be written at the back. And how do you solve it? You have to write the word which is before it and you have to write the word which is after it, and in the center you want to write the word which is missing and underline that particular word. So when I ask you, when I give you an assignment, I want only the before and after. Numbering of the letters first, ABCD or 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers, the digits or the letters over there, and I want the before part of it, the after part of it, and in the center I want the answer. And these are the list of things which can go missing. If I have to say, I would say 90% of the times these are missing. That's why I had stressed, highlighted the fact that these will go missing. But I give a scope of 10% here and there, that certain other words also will be missing with the noun in it. Majoritively, nouns will come over there, the abstract nouns over there. Right? Verbs we won't take. Verbs are tricky. There are possible, more than one possible answer is over there. Possibility of more than one answer is over there. So we don't give that much of work, like a brain work over there for you to do, and for myself also. So we'll play safe. Majoritively amongst these only your words will be missing. For the determiners, I will be sending you an extra video which I have taught, and you can see which are those words which will be missing.